Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to download Fortnite on your PC. So to get started, first of all, head over to your Google Chrome browser and in the search box type in Fortnite and hit the enter and click on the first link that appears on the search result. And at the top right corner, you can see the download option. Simply tap on it and then you will be shown the option that how would you like to play the game. So click on Epic Games Launcher and right below you can see the download now option. Simply tap on it. Now it will start downloading on your PC. Once the download process is over, you can go on your file and simply install it. So that is how easily you can download Fortnite on your PC. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.